Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to see about how to generate all possible substring. If you already watched how to generate all possible subarray from an array, it is more similar problem. Okay. If you haven't seen that, just watch it, then come back to this solution. Okay. It is in this same playlist. Okay. Now, just observe S is equal to Pirai. So this is my what? This is my string. Now, what are the all possible substrings I can say for this string? I can say, let me take Pirai. Now, what are my possible substring? First of all, what is mean by substring? Substring is a set of characters which are continuous or contiguous in this string. Okay, so I can say if I take a substring which is starting from P, I can say this and PI, then PIR, then PIAR, sorry, RA, then PIRAI. Okay, so I can say what are the possible substring which are there? It's starting with P. It is PI, then PIR, then PIRA, then PIRAI. So these are the all possible substrings which starts with P. Okay. Now what are the possible substrings which are started with I? It is IR, IRA. Fine. Now what are the substrings that are starting with RA. Yes. Again, what are the possible substrings that are starting with A and AI? Yes. And then what are the possible substrings that are starting with I? Only I. Okay. I can give some more examples so that you can understand what this means substring means. Okay. Just say this is my string. Can I say whether RA is a substring? Yes. Whether I can say AR is a substring? No. Because see here, A occurs after R. Okay, but here see A then R. So it is contiguous. It is contiguous, but it is not in order. It is not in order. So that we cannot say this as a substring. Clear? No. Whether PA is a substring? No. It is not a substring. It is subsequence. It is not a substring because we want to be a substring to be contiguous. Okay. But it is in order. But it is not contiguous. Okay. So it also not a substring. Fine. But these all possibilities are the substring. Okay. You can say you can see any elements in there. They all are in order and also they are in contiguous. Contiguous means continuous. Okay. So this is the definition of substring. Now, how to generate all possible substring? Okay. Let me say, first of all, see here, I'm just fixing each and every character as my start. It's here. I have fixed P, then I, then R, then A, then I. So I can say I want to loop from P to I. Yes. So I can say I want to loop from where? From 0 to n. Okay, this is my first step. Okay, then what should I do in each step? If I take P as my starting point, then after that I just took I, then I took IR, then I took IRA, then I took IRAI. So by saying this, I can say the end point here. Let me take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the indices, right? By seeing this, I can say initially it is at 0. Initially the ending here is 1. Here is 2. Here is 3. Here is 4. So I can say it is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want to put another loop which says where is the end point? Where is the end point? Okay, fine. Let us put another loop which says where's the end point? What's the end point? It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it is the end point. But here it started from 0. But here where it started? It started from 1. Here 2. Here 3. Here 4. Again, where it started? 2. Here 3. Here 4. I can say it is starting from I. Yes, it is starting from I to n. Right? Now again. Now I got a start point and end point. Now what is my next step? My next step is I want to loop another iteration where I will say go from I to j plus 1. Because see here, usually it is 0, 0 to 1. So the substring which I took is 0. Then I took 0, 1. Then I took 0, 1, 2. Then I took 0, 1, 2, 3. Fine. So that I will put a k. Okay. This is another loop. Then I will initialize an empty string. Maybe it's a substring. And then I will take plus is equal to original string. You can say it's a string. This is a string. String of k. After this k loop executed, I can say it is a substring. Yes, it's a substring. So this is what the code. Yes. So what is a time complexity? It is O of n cube, because this runs to up to n, this runs to up to n, this runs to up to n. So n into n, which is n cube. And what is the space? I have took extra string, but still it is also the result. It's also the result. Okay. It won't affect the space complexity. So space complexity is O of 1. Fine. Let us see. See here. S is equal to Pirai for I in range of n of s for j in range of I to n of s. I have told you, right? Then I have initialize a result. Then I have implemented the same thing. I have written in the main file. Okay. So let me run this. In this playlist, I have already gave you the patterns, right? See here, it is more similar to patterns. Yes. See here. P P I A P I, then P I R, then P I R A, then P I R A I. Yes, yes. Now I can see here I going up to like this. This is the same thing I have wrote in this main file, right? Here. So it is similar. Okay. Now it is n cube solution. Can I still optimize it? Like I can convert it into the n square or n. Yes, we can convert it into the n square. But how? Whether it is necessary to put this k? No. Why no? Just observe carefully. I don't want to put this k, but why? We don't want to put this y, but sorry, we don't want to put this k loop. But why we don't want to put this k loop? Just observe carefully. Initially, it is if we take the string, then initially it is at p, s, and then my j loop will iterate here, then here, then here, then here, then here. If my string stores this p, do I really want again I want to empty the string and again I want to take this two characters? No, I can just make this as an empty string, but I want to make this as an empty string where? Here. Okay. Then I want to concatenate one by one. Initially I will concatenate this p, then I will print it. Then I will concatenate this I, then print it. Just watch here. For first iteration, it is initially an empty string. This is initially empty string. And then what is the first question? It is p. Now it is p. Again, what is the second question? My p is get printed in the output, right? P is printed in the output. Then what is the second question? It is I. Again, it is printed in the output. Then what's in my third question? It is R. Again, R is printed in the third question. Again, A. Then it is printed here. Then I, and then it is also printed here. So by doing this, I can say my time on state will be O of n into O of n, which is equal to O of n square. And then what is my space complexity? It is same as the previous. We are just using the result variable, right? So see here, that's what the step I have done in this second example. Okay, let me run this. It is executed successfully. It also given the same output. Okay, so this is how we want to generate all possible substring. Just observe. We will implement this in the future. Okay, thank you.